Okay, so we had done that. Little boy, he reaches the school and he finds the atmosphere absolutely different. It was totally different, and he sees many things that surprises little friends. Okay, first thing was there was no bustling sound. Everybody was seated in their places, and he had to enter the class. Okay, before everybody, M. Hamel was not wrapping his ruler on the table. Rather, he had the ruler where? Where did he have the ruler?
I mean the
Yes,
Under his
under
arm.
yes, under his arm, and he was moving up and down in the class. He did not scold little friends for being late. And then when little friends seated himself on the chair on his bench, what did he notice? He noticed that sir was in different dress. Okay, he was wearing green coat, white frilled shirt, and embroidered cap. He was wearing that he never wore except on inspection days or prize days or some special days or so. And the whole school, it seemed very strange and very solemn, very quiet and calm. And the thing that surprised him most was what? What was it? I made you underline it, beta. What
ma'am,
was
Last
it?
the
bench.
Yes,
town
underline.
people are
Uh,
sitting.
they were always empty. The village people sitting quietly like
Yes,
that.
the back
Yes, ma'am.
benches that were usually empty, always empty. On that day, those benches were occupied by the village people who were sitting there. Okay, the old hostler, the former mayor, former postmaster, and many other were sitting. And old
Several
hostler
other
was
besides.
having an old primer and old basic language book. Okay, elementary book, and he had it open on his knees with his spectacles lying on it. Right now, see this little boy.
Yes, ma'am.
He was wondering all about this. Why so many changes are there in the school today? So meanwhile, what happens? His teacher, M. Hamel, he sits on his chair and he announces something that was like thunder, thunder clapping, yani that struck like lightning, that was something very shocking and unexpected for little friends. Okay, what did M. Hamel declare? What did he declare? Any one of you will
Ma'am,
answer me.
Ma'am, that
fre-
was the last day
friend
of
was
Ma'am Hamel in the school.
And
And before
man,
Mahima,
can I?
1 minute, Akhilesh. Mahima Bagaria,
no one can,
Mahima, Anisha, let Mahima answer. She might not be getting my voice or she might be searching for the answer. क्यों महिमा ये क्लास ऑन करके गायब.
Ma'am, I'm absent from 3 to 4.
So you should have gone through the chapter. If you were absent, then no problem, but you must revise whatever we do in the class, beta. देखो मेरे पूछते ही ना, many of you start leaving the class.
Yes, ma'am. I revise it.
Gungun, Gungun,
Yes, ma'am.
the answer to my question. Which words spoken by M. Hamel were unexpected and shocking for little friends? Rakshit,
Berlin to teach only German in the school.
a little louder, beta.
बाप
Yes.
वही बताएगा कि Berlin to teach only German in the school of Elsa and Lawrence. Elsa's and Lawrence. And your voice is not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat the answer, Rakshit.
The order has come Berlin to teach only German.
Yes.
in the school of LC.
Okay. Volume raise कर लो अपने speakers की. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine, and M. Hamel says that my children, this is the last French lesson I shall give you, because the order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine, and the new teacher comes tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. So I want you to be very attentive. और जैसे ही वो बोलते हैं एकदम से those words were like thunder clapping, ऐसा लगता है कोई बिजली गिरी है. It was shocking, very unexpected for little friends. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Put the date on the next para. उसको ध्यान आ गया. Oh, the wretches, you know, that is what they had put up at the town hall. Now, my last French lesson in this para, M. Hamel, you know, he repents, he regretted for not being serious towards his learning, towards his studies, and towards his mother tongue. And he just wasted his time here and there hunting birds' eggs or playing in the Saar River and so on. So, my last French lesson, why I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn any more. I must stop there then. Okay, you can write down कि in this para he regrets for not being serious in his studies. अब जैसे ही उसने सुना ना इतना ज्यादा रिग्रेट करता है कि ओ दिस इज माय लास्ट फ्रेंच लेसन, अभी तो मुझे लिखना पढ़ना ही नहीं आया. आई हार्डली न्यू माय लैंग्वेज, आई हार्डली स्टडीड, आई मस्ट स्टॉप देयर देन, सो दैट फिर बड़ा रिपेंट करता है कि ओ आई हैव टू स्टॉप देयर. Okay. Oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lessons, for seeking birds' eggs or going sliding on the Saar. और उसको बड़ा दुख होता है कि when there was enough of time, I did not learn my language, right? And I just wasted my time either in hunting birds' egg or in the sliding. My books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago, so heavy to carry, my grammar, my history of the saints. History of the saints means history of the ancestors, okay? They were old friends now that I couldn't give up. And M. Hamel too, the idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. समझ में आया बेटा? तो जैसे ही वो सुनता है तो इतना रिग्रेट करता है, वो दिस इज माय लास्ट फ्रेंच लेसन नाउ. I won't be able to learn my language anymore. I won't be able to study anymore. And he regretted so much, he repented so much, you know, that he had wasted all his time in roaming here and there, seeking bird's egg or sliding on the Saar and so on. Okay. तो बहुत दुख होता है कि समय था जब हम पढ़े नहीं. As you people, you know, when you fail, many of you realize that you had wasted your time here and there, isn't it? You just repent for your mistake. So similarly,
Yes.
little friends was also repenting. And then he says that my books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago, you got it when he started from school, you know, he was not interested to study at all. Okay, and he was not interested in studies either, and he just wanted to bunk the school. It means all those books, you know, studies, they were a big burden for him some time back, some time ago, कुछ समय पहले तक, but now, और उसको ऐसा लग रहा था those books were so heavy to carry, है ना? My grammar जिसमें participles learn करने थे, my history, book of the saints बोलते हैं हमारे ancestors को. They were old friends now that he did not want to give up. Now see, the books that seemed a big burden to carry. जैसे ही पता पड़ा कि I have to leave those books, you know, forever. ऐसा लगा जैसे those books were now not a burden for me. They were like old friends. Beta, listen, we never want to leave our old friends, do we? We always love our old friends, isn't it? And
Yes,
suppose
ma'am.
Any case,
ma'am.
if you get separated from them and you meet them after a long time, see how happy you are, isn't it? बहुत ज्यादा खुश होते हो आप, राइट कि हम हमारे पुराने दोस्तों से मिले, पुराने फ्रेंड से मिले. तो सिमिलरली हम कभी भी ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स को छोड़ना नहीं चाहते. ओल्ड इज गोल्ड, एज देयर इज अ सेइंग. ओके, तो इसी तरह से अभी ये बुक्स भी उसको ऐसे लगने लगी, ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स दैट ही did not want to give up, उसको नहीं छोड़ना था. And Hamel too, the idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. Cranky means strange and short tempered. और एकदम से दिमाग में आया, इससे पहले तो सर पर सर अच्छे नहीं लग रहे थे, सर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे, सर मारते थे, ओके, डांटते थे. लेकिन अब जैसे ही उसको लगा कि even I am Hamel will be going, he forgot everything about the teacher, कि he was very short tempered, okay, he was very strange, and he also forgot about his ruler that he used to rap on the table and sometimes maybe beat his students. तो सब कुछ भूल गया वो, और नहीं छोड़ना चाहता था अपने टीचर को, अपने स्कूल को, अपनी लैंग्वेज को. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
next,
ma'am.
very important, write down the
Yes,
important.
ma'am.
Poor man. It was in honor of this last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes. Now he understood that poor man. Poor does not relate to poverty, okay? Right? Means be bichara admi, you know. Why I'm Hamel? And why? Because उसको समझ में आ गया, yes, to honor the last lesson in the French language. Okay, to give honor to the French language, he had put on his fine Sunday clothes. And now I understood why the old man, underlined this, why the old man of the village was sitting there in the back of the room. Question ban gaya, this is the question. Why the old man of the village was sitting. The answer is there in the next line, it follows. Now he understood why the old man of the village, they were sitting there in the classroom. Now he gives 3 reasons why those old people, they were sitting there in the classroom. First reason, it was because they were sorry too that they had not gone to school any more. Okay. Ab first reason वो देता है कि the village man had come there. Why? Even because the villagers were also repenting that when they had enough of time, they did not study. Okay, and they did not study well, maybe in the childhood or whenever they had time, and now they had they were really feeling sorry कि now they could not go to school anymore, or अब तो जा ही नहीं सकते. Second reason, it was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years of faithful service. And second reason was what? They had come to thank the teacher, Mr. M. Hamel, who had served the school for the last 40 years. He had been serving the school for the last 40 years, a very long tenure, a very long period of time. So they had come to give thanks to that teacher who had devoted all his life to the school, who had been serving the school for the last 40 years. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let
Yes,
it
ma'am.
move. Just wait. Let it move. Now see, and the third reason, okay, and of showing the respect for the country that was theirs no more. And they were sitting there, why? Because they wanted to show respect to their country, okay, the country that was theirs no more, that did not belong to them anymore. समझ में आ गया? वो देश जो उनका रहा ही नहीं अब, उस देश को जो उनका था उसको रिस्पेक्ट देने आए, राइट? सॉरी फील कर रहे थे कि बचपन में और जब टाइम था जब वो पढ़े नहीं फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज के लिए, तो रिपेंट कर रहे थे। ओके, और एक रीजन था अपने टीचर को जिन्होंने 40 इयर्स से अपनी सर्विसेज दी, उनको थैंक्स देने आए थे। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि व्हाई द ओल्ड people of the village were sitting there in the back of the room. तो ये हैं 3 answers. They were sorry for not learning the language, or they had not gone to school anymore. Second, it was their way of thanking the teacher, okay, who had served the school for the last 40 years. And finally, they had come to show respect for the country that was theirs no more. Why? Now their country, it did not belong to them. It had passed on to Prussian hands, in the Prussian hands. Right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So the next para. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. It was my turn to recite. Okay. Now see, little friends, he was thinking all about this, why these people were sitting there, why I had wasted my time. Okay. So meanwhile, he hears his name being called out by the teacher. Now it was my turn to recite. It was his turn to answer his teacher. What would I not have given to be able to say that dreadful rule for the participles all through? Now he says that, okay, he had, yes, he had tried his level best, to answer the teacher that day and without any mistake. Why? Because he decided it was the last day and in one go only I'm going to answer my teacher, right? In my single effort. Okay, that would be my single effort. I'm going to answer my teacher. समझ गए? तो ये उसने बहुत कोशिश करी कि he gave his 100%, to speak the dreadful rule of the participle. Why dreadful? Because that was a frightening rule for him, because he has not learned participle. लेकिन तब भी उसने कोशिश करी थी कि जैसा भी आएगा, he thought, he decided he will answer his teacher very loud and clear. और उसने सोचा था very loud and clear he is going to answer his teacher and without one mistake, yani without any mistake he will answer his teacher that day. He is going to please his teacher, he will make his teacher happy the last day of the French lesson us din. But I got mixed up on the first words and stood there holding on to my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look up. समझ में आया बेटा? अब उसने कोशिश तो बहुत करी, लेकिन क्या हुआ? He got mixed up, he got nervous. Sometimes it happens, na? People are ready, children are ready to answer, but they become nervous, right?
yes, ma'am.
घबरा जाते हैं, पैनिक्ड हो जाते हैं, नर्वस हो जाते हैं एंड मिक्स अप हो जाते हैं. Okay, so similar thing happened with this little friends. He got mixed up and he stood there holding on to the desk. Means इतना ज्यादा घबरा गया कि though he tried his level best to answer, but not a single word came out from his mouth and his heart started beating, okay, very fast, and he did not dare to look up. हिम्मत नहीं कि ऊपर देखे सर की तरफ. दिल जोर जोर से, हार्ट बीट जो थी जोर जोर से चल रही थी, दिल धड़क रहा था. Okay, heart was beating fast. Why? Because he was ashamed of himself, because of embarrassment. समझ गए? और उसके अंदर अब इतना करेज नहीं था, इतनी डेयरनेस नहीं थी to face his teacher, to look up at his teacher. Followed, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next
Yes,
para.
ma'am.
I heard M. Hamel say to me, see, very important, I won't scold you, little friends, you must feel bad enough. Now M. Hamel, he says to little friends that he is not going to scold him. Okay? क्यों? क्योंकि he had already realized his mistake now. Okay, उसने अपनी mistake realize कर ली. See how it is, every day we have said to ourselves, bye, plenty of time, I learn it tomorrow. Okay, अब कहते हैं हर रोज तुम अपने आप से ये बोलते होगे, इट इम्प्लाइज ऑन यू पीपल ऑल्सो, ओके। तुम्हें भी लगता है कि द होल ईयर इज लेफ्ट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी and the time it runs, it flies away, and you people fail to do what you are supposed to do within the time that you get. और जो मार्क्स आने चाहिए बेटा वो नहीं आते, पूरा साल आप ऐसे ही निकाल देते हैं, और फाइनली व्हेन द रिजल्ट इज आउट देन यू रिपेंट, जिसका कोई यूज नहीं होता, सिर्फ सॉरी ही फील कर सकते हैं और कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, ओके।
Yes, ma'am.
Opportunity to study that ends up, right? And जैसा कि आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं उससे भी बहुत कम मार्क्स आते हैं। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा लेसन है फॉर एवरी वन ऑफ अस कि जब समय हो तभी हमें काम करना चाहिए। वी शुड नॉट पुट एवरीथिंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे, राइट। तो वो कहते हैं कि देखो, है ना, रोज हम अपने आप को कहते हैं लिटिल फ्रेंड्स की बहुत समय आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी, है ना, कि वो उसको समझा रहे हैं कि तुमने भी कहा होगा दैट आई वुड स्टडी द नेक्स्ट डे, ही वुड स्टडी द नेक्स्ट डे, एंड सी नाउ द टाइम हैज गॉन, द अपॉर्चुनिटी हैज एंडेड अप, एंड friends knew nothing. He was only regretting and repenting and feeling sorry for his language. He cannot do anything. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to everyone? समझ में आया
Yes,
बेटा?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
we'll
Yes, ma'am.
continue करेंगे. Again,
Yes.
I'm telling you, you people do not put everything on the next day. As time hai, take out 10 minutes and revise whatever we have done. Okay? Bye, beta. Take
Okay.
care. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.